Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 6B. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And if you need a personal online classes, you can also message us on our number for this. And now here the question number 6B is saying that James has been asked by his teacher to demonstrate to class the functioning of the word processor. Help him in performing the following actions. Create a new document from the menu bar and using the prescribed shortcut key. Also write the steps. And second is save the created document with the name my document and then close it. Also write the steps. Third is open the already created my document and rename it my rename document. Also write the steps. So here we discuss the three questions, and if you need all the answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video with new question and with new topic. Thank you.